It's me again. What's up, my dudes, dudettes, ladies and gentlemen, gentledims. Good God, I'm stuttering. Okay, cool. So first off, some of you may have been wondering, excuse me, what the canvas is. So I'm just gonna go ahead and drag that on there and stretch it out. Stretch the canvas out. Boop. And let's actually make the background color of the page something that we can clearly see. Okay. There's a reason for all this. I'm going to call it Draw Fever. Alrighty. And so what do we want to happen whenever we have a canvas? Well, here we go. It gives you this. Well, if it's clicked at this point, then this. And this point, this. Da, 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 da. Okay. So then it says set active canvas and then circle blah, blah, blah. Okay. Now I say blah, blah, blah only because I just need to show you what it does. So this is the buttons, right? Back, next. So when I hit next, it doesn't show you the canvas right away because we haven't set some properties for it, but if you start, you notice as you click in the canvas, you get these black circles. So you're able to paint within the canvas. You cannot paint outside of the canvas. So you can create like a sketch app, so to speak, if art is your thing. Now, this is not the only capability, so it's limited functions right now because this is like the starter. So once we get to the end of the project, you're going to be able to play around with like the rest of this stuff in the canvas. So for example, I'm going to go to my Panda game. So notice I have a canvas. Let's look at design. There's the background. So let's create an event. So let's just do when something's clicked. Okay, so here we go. So when, oh, you know what? I messed up. I didn't click on the canvas. See y'all? That's important. Click on the canvas. Call it draw thing. Okay, so it looks like we're good. Now I'm gonna insert and show code. Make sure I get rid of this mistake right here. Okay, there it is. So notice it's like, there we go. So you can set the stroke width and the color. I'm gonna make it 10. Let's make the color. We'll stick with red for now, but I do want to change it later. Fill color yellow, yeah, that's fine with me. ¿Qué más? I think that's it. So the width obviously is going to change like how thick the line is. The stroke color is going to change the color. And then the fill color is going to change the color that the circle is filled. You can absolutely do a rectangle or a line. Let's see. Let me actually let's just run this first, and then we'll worry about the line later. I don't want to confuse anybody. Okay, so I'm gonna drag this out, hit run, start, next, next, next. All right, here we go. Ta-da! Like little demon eyes. And again, like notice you can't draw outside of the canvas, so there's a very clear stopping point. Okie dokie. That's how you use Canvas.